Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I have been super busy and my hands have been hurting a bit. So this week I'm going to show you the self Shiatsu massage on hands that I've been doing to myself. Let's start with the top of the hand. Put 3 imaginary dots on the space between the extensions of the finger bones. With 5 fingers, you have 4 spaces between the finger bones. Press each dot or stimulate each dot with a hook thumb. Repeat on all the dots. If you're pregnant, skip the space between your thumb and index finger as there is an acupressure point to induce labor. Now the fingers. Put imaginary dots on each finger. On the thumb, 3 dots on 3 locations with 6 dots between the base and the joint, and 3 dots at the nail base. On the rest of the fingers, 3 dots on 4 locations with 6 dots between the base and the joint, 3 dots in the middle section, and 3 dots at the nail base. Press or stimulate every single dot with a hook thumb. Then the palm. Put 3 imaginary dots on 3 lines. Again, press or stimulate each dot with a hook thumb or index finger joint. Finish up with shake and snap on each finger. I have a link to another video below on how to do this particular technique. Repeat on the other hand. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.